Good morning, all you plumbers out there. Today, I had to pull off a job to go take care of an emergency. These people have no water. They have a broken water pipe underneath the house, and we're going to go address that right now. But the biggest part of the story is I left CB2 and Angelo on the other job working while I went and did this. So they're going to have some time to grow as plumbers on their own while I go address this leak. So we got two things going on. So they're getting some growth in the plumbing world, and I am going to go take care of an emergency and get these people's water back on. So we'll see you inside and we'll see what we got. I'm underneath the house. They got the water off right here. That's where I came in at. That was no fun. We're gonna turn the water on. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. Okay. Of course it's way back in the corner and I can't see it. Alright. So, let's take a crawl back there. Like all plumbers, why couldn't it be right by the door? No, it's about 40 feet back in the corner. Great. Okay. Let's see if we can get the shot here. Oh, I'm in some type of modular home. Anyway, here's the fitting that popped out. It's actually a 90 that broke in half. That popped out of here. So I can just cut that pipe and put a PEX 90 and get rid of this. Right there it is. The 90, I guess, rusted apart. Well water. So let's go get a 90. I still love plumbing, but this is a tough spot. We love plumbing. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this. I'll bring this outside, show everybody. Now, what I'll probably do is 90-90. And I hope I can get up in here, but you really can't see from this. Get this right here. We gotta leave room for another 90. And we got it. Alright. I want to save that. Okay. So we're gonna cut this 90, 90, put a piece in there, turn the water back on. Okay, I'm gonna go out in the truck and get what we need, prefab a little piece. Okay, here's what we got. The 90 corroded and just broke off right there. Kind of crazy, isn't it? So I'm taking this out. We're going to put in two 90s in a piece of pipe and get the water back on. I'm just going to guess the piece I need. 4 rings. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll bring some extra in case I mess up. Okay. Oh, yeah. Pro press. Oh, yeah. prefab work. Only problem is it's going to be a little tight up in that tub area. So we're going to make it work though. Piece up in the tub, one piece down bottom. I'll bring 2 more 90s, a piece of pipe just in case I screw up. And that'll be it. There's 3 rings. I need 3 more. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Couple more 90s just in case. 1, 2. Alright, cool. And I'll bring a longer piece of pipe just in case. Just in case. I know. No piece of pipe. Okay. Here we go. Okay, here we go, boys and girls. We got tight quarters here. So, look at that. Now, I'm hoping that the Pro Press doesn't do damage to anything else while I'm here. So wish me luck here. Let me get a better look-see here with this light. Oh, there we go. Let me turn this around this way. And here we go, boys and girls. And 1, 2, and... Alright, cross your fingers. Alright. Cutter. Where's my cutter? There it is. There we go. Oh, right here's the pipe. This is what I'm working with. Give me this. Give me this. Oh, come on, baby. Don't be mean to daddy. And boom, there it is. All right. Now, there we go. And alrighty, time for the big test. Alright. Oh my god. Let's turn the water on. Alright. The water's on, there's no leaky. And we're out of here. And with that, there goes another satisfied customer. Now what I'm going to tell these people, they need to repipe this place. It's a modular, it's really old, all kinds of patchwork, so they need to address it ASAP, but we got her done.